What started as a simple traffic stop for a stop sign violation quickly turned into a major drug arrest. Officers became suspicious after the driver's story didn't add up, and during the investigation they discovered a package hidden under her clothing. As the stop continued, the woman claimed the drugs belonged to someone else, but by then the situation had already escalated far beyond a routine traffic citation.
Hi.
Hello.
Officer Ricchetti, Fruitland Park Police Department. Reason for the stop, you stopped me on the white bar at the stop sign.
On this day, officers stopped a vehicle after observing the driver improperly stop at an intersection and behave in a way that appeared suspicious. During the stop, the driver gave conflicting explanations about where she was going and why she was in the area, which immediately raised concerns for the officers. Legally, officers can ask questions unrelated to the original traffic violation as long as they do not unlawfully prolong the stop. Drivers also have the right to refuse a consensual vehicle search. However, if officers develop independent reasonable suspicion of criminal activity, they may continue the investigation and use additional investigative methods permitted under the law.
What are you doing?
Well, I was supposed to pick up a friend and he hasn't answered me, so he was supposed to send me the address, send me an address, it was the wrong address. I told him I was here, and then he didn't answer me, so I was about to leave.
So why did you turn into the driveway back there?
That was the address he sent me.
Really?
Yeah.
What was that street?
Well, I don't remember now, but you know how you send somebody your location?
Right.
That's where it put me around.
Okay. Is there anything in the vehicle I need to be aware of? Any guns, drugs, weapons?
No, nothing but a lot of stuff because I've been moving. I've got like a train table back here and my son's sleeping in the back.
I got you. Would you consent to a search?
To my vehicle?
Yeah.
I mean, I suppose, but that seems a little unnecessary.
I ask for consent on every stop.
I mean, do I have to give you consent?
No.
Then I'd rather not, just because my son's sleeping back there.
Okay. Do you have your license?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Do you have the registration insurance?
I do not in my car currently, no.
Okay.
But this is under my insurance. It's in my name.
I got you. What was the friend you were going to see?
His name's Jonathan.
Jonathan? What's his last name?
I just met him and stuff.
You just met him? Where at?
Mutual friends. I mean, that's...
Your story just isn't making sense.
There's not much of a story to have had there. I just come to... Because literally I was coming to hang out with him for the first time. I mean, like, we'd seen each other through friends, and that's...
But the address you pulled up is a completely different address.
I didn't even pull up the address, so I don't know what you mean.
You did.
No,
the last address that you...
No.
See, that one right there.
Those are just recent. That doesn't mean that's...
Well, if you pulled up an address recently...
I clicked on a send me your location. You know, when you send somebody your location, it doesn't send you an address.
Well,
it sends you a marked pin.
It sends you a marked pin, and that would be the last one you were going to if you were using your GPS. I'm just saying your story doesn't make sense. Just give me 1 sec. Hey, she denied consent.
At this point, the officer tells another deputy that the driver's story makes no sense. While being nervous during a traffic stop is not a crime, inconsistent explanations can contribute to reasonable suspicion. From the officer's perspective, the driver appears to be avoiding straightforward answers about where she was going and who she was meeting.
Her story isn't making any sense. Her story makes 0 sense. She turned on Lake Josephine and pulled into a driveway, so I turned around on Lake Josephine and then sat on Miller and waited for her to come out. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna have you step out for me. And then just stand at the front of my vehicle.
At your vehicle?
Yeah.
What's that white powder doing?
Yeah, what is that white powder?
Don't touch it.
I wear makeup. What do you mean?
What's all over your dress?
I have two kids.
All that white stuff there.
Oh, it's the ashes from my cigarette.
And you was just supposed to know you.
I'm a female with a onesie on. It's a onesie. It's very uncomfortable.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
Put your hands up here. If your hands come off again, you go in handcuffs. Keep your hands on this bar.
Question for you. Is there anything illegal in the car?
You don't have anything on you, right? No? Do you mind if I just search you real quick?
The way that it works is if my dog alerts to the odor of narcotics in a car and we don't find any narcotics in the car,
What are you doing?
Sorry.
it's reasonable for us to assume that you may be in possession of narcotics.
So, based on your actions, you sit in the driver's seat, you were tucking something under your skirt.
Literally,
Which also is.
So before she does this, I'm going to ask you this. And like I said, I don't care. It's not my traffic stop. But I will tell you, just moving forward from an outsider looking in, honesty is the best policy. Because if you have something little, we can always have a conversation about it. And worst case scenario, you get a ticket and go on about your day. But and again, it's important that you know I'm not accusing you of anything. I'm not saying that you're doing anything wrong at all. But
I just need the answer of do I have to?
yes,
let
you
her
do.
search me
It's
or
not an option.
Okay. Well,
There is no yes or no.
Let's come over here in front of the tour car.
What the what's that?
Put your hand up on.
And then spread your feet like you're doing the splits.
As far as you won't get from there.
There's still room in your dress to split.
It's not the dress. It's the onesie I had on. It's one of those bodysuits.
It's a bodysuit you have a bra under it?
Yes.
Hypothetically speaking, this is real hypothetical. If you were to go to any reading and they put you through an X-ray scanner, or a very, very expensive X-ray scanner that can see through your body, is there anything on or inside of your body that you're not supposed to have?
No, but that's a pretty out there hypothetical question.
You'd be surprised.
I'm not
Yep. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh, it's not mine.
No.
Listen. Please, not good. Based on your actions.
The situation changes dramatically here. During the search, officers discover a concealed package hidden under the woman's clothing. Once contraband is physically located, the investigation shifts from a traffic stop to a criminal drug case. The driver's earlier explanations now become much less important than the evidence officers have recovered.
Okay. Well, you're trying to hide it, number one.
I'm going to say honesty was
I
know, but I just
why lie about it?
I don't even know what's inside of it.
Yes, they should
I just wish you would have been honest about it because that would
Oh, great. Wow. He literally just called me too and was like, look, that orange bag on there, can you just...
Yeah, she had it in between her legs.
Good amount.
So she waited until I passed and turned the opposite direction. So I turned around. And then as soon as I turn around, she turns onto Lake Josephine, right? And then she goes down Lake Josephine and pulls into a driveway. And so I turn around and go out and black out on Miller.
Ow, well, what the fuck? Ow, goddamn. I just wanted to check my phone. There's literally a source habit, my bad.
Here, just
I'm
Listen,
sorry.
you don't get all
Okay,
these
I
cuffs,
got it.
you hear me?
All right. Ow. Don't have to.
Stop being stupid.
you're under arrest right now for resisting an officer.
I didn't
If you do
mean
anything
to.
else, you're going to catch another charge. It's in your best interest to stop doing stupid shit. Otherwise, I'm going to have DCF come pick up your kid.
Take that cuff
Stop
off.
doing this game. You're not going to win. You don't control. Stop. You don't control what goes on.
Make sure the cuffs are on.
Stop doing what you're doing. I will not tell you again. I've done nothing but respect you, and that ship's about to sail.
Does anybody have like a big key? Thank you. Is there anything else on you?
No, there's
Because
not, ma'am. I know, I understand.
no,
the
like you said
situation.
that before.
I
and
know, and I panicked.
And I'm not
I've
an
never
idiot.
been in this situation before, so I do apologize. Can I please sit down in the car because I'm fucked either way.
Okay, so there's nothing on you that the jail would
there's
find.
nothing on me.
Okay. Just so you're aware.
All right.
Someone get the dog, Taylor.
I have somebody who can pick him up.
Okay, sit down and I'll get the number for you.
There's Wildwood.
Sit down and I'll get the number for you.
I should have known better. That really is my fault.
Put your feet in.
Now the woman begins claiming that the drugs belong to a man named Jonathan and says she was only hiding the package because he told her to. Even if that statement is true, possession laws generally focus on who had control of the narcotics at the time they were discovered. Investigators may look into her claims, but simply blaming another person does not automatically eliminate criminal liability.
Okay, who is it that can come get your kid?
They get the 39s to the 14 too.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, guess who he was meeting? Jonathan Patrick Lucas. I knew it.
That's who I said that. Literally, that's what I'm saying. If you guys will let me go home, I will tell you where he is. I swear to God.
Now the woman begins claiming that the drugs belong to a man named Jonathan and says she was only hiding the package because he told her to. Even if that statement is true, possession laws generally focus on who had control of the narcotics at the time they were discovered. Investigators may look into her claims, but simply blaming another person does not automatically eliminate criminal liability.
It was literally the street that I was on before.
Poinsettia.
And he told me, he said, listen, because I don't know him. He told me, please. He's like, just take that and take it and hide it. And I panicked. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that that's what that could have been. I understand. No, because he told me to hide it, so I thought, I didn't know what to think.
I would have thrown it out the freaking window.
Is he on a bike?
Is he on a bike? Is he supposed to be on a bike?
No.
Okay.
Because I dropped him off right here earlier. It's not mine, it's his.
Is he in a car?
No, I was his ride.
Where'd you drop off at?
The street before the one, which street is that? With the lights that looks like a dentist?
The one, it was Poinsettia.
Yeah, Poinsettia.
That was where she was turning around.
Does that mean
No, you're not getting out of this. But
it's proof that it's not mine. Because I can't. You don't.
No, it's not proof that it's not yours because he
left it in here. I know. I can't.
So I need a number for who we're calling.
Kim. Her name's Kim.
Who is she to you?
I'm sweating like a pig.
Who is she to you?
She is my ex-mother-in-law, and she's just who can pick up this kid right now.
Is that okay?
Yes. I'm already going through DCF right now. She's literally on the garden. She's.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Okay. Just Kim, right there.
Yes. Oh God.
I knew she was doing something sketch. I was starting to doubt myself.
Where am I?
You are at the corner of Cutoff and Miller on 466A.
Hey, you're gonna fucking hate me, but you're gonna have to come to and pick up Manny. Mystic Ice Cream, like in Fruitland Park, and just pick up Manny. I'm getting arrested. Why are you getting arrested? Because I had somebody in my car for a stupid reason. Alright, thank you.
In the end, the woman was arrested and charged with meth trafficking between 28 and 200 grams, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting an officer without violence. Court records show that she later entered a not guilty plea and remained in custody until posting bond nearly 2 months later. What began as a routine traffic stop over a minor traffic violation quickly evolved into a serious felony investigation. A few suspicious decisions, conflicting statements, and one hidden package completely changed the course of the encounter. As the case moves through the courts, prosecutors will ultimately have to prove that the drugs were knowingly possessed by the defendant beyond a reasonable doubt.